So guys, we're at the best pad thai, original pad thai place in Bangkok over here. So this is the best pad thai place. If you get a chance, come here. It's on this street. I'll put the soy number or street number. She makes the best pad thai in Bangkok by far. I've been eating here for years and see how she cooks. So she'll put the chicken in there. So this is street food. It might not be hygienic, it might not be whatever, but I mean it's hygienic, it's clean over here. But see, so they put the chicken in there. These are the options, guys. You can choose with egg, with seafood, with chicken, or with mussels. Mussels is 60 baht, chicken is 70 baht. Seafood over here. 1 second, we'll move. This is adding some tofu, some ginger, garlic, 2 eggs. So she put sugar in it. So these are the Thai noodles over here. She'll add Thai noodles, then they'll put a lot of those that's peanuts, prawns, soy sauce. So now you know the recipe as well. And on this really hot plate with some and loads of sprouts. So that was cool. So lots of sprouts. That's my favorite part. Little sugar to add flavor. Takes out the spicy. If you want, they give you the chili sauce, chili powder here with chilies. So that's it. Wow, some greens. Mix it in this hot, crispy pan. So that's it, guys. That's how they do it. It's super delicious. Some of the best food you can have in Thailand. Definitely has to be. I've been eating here for years. So, yep, amazing. So that's 140 baht, guys. So thank you for watching.